This is a simple and fast review of the AVAHUM 150 pint portable dehumidifier with pump. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so once you get it out of the box, you'll have your instruction manual, all the details here: sleep, lock, speed, pump, humidifier mode, timer, power, QR code. And then on the back you'll have just simple power cable, and then a ability to kind of unscrew and connect a hose and pump, all that stuff, which is really nice. The front will be, it'll all have some tape just to keep this front cover on, to be aware. But this will actually pop off and pull out. It's hard to do with one hand, so just bear with me here as sorry about that, I kind of cut off there. So this just pulls out completely and has a kind of handle. As you can see, you can pour it out through this hole. This will actually come off if needed, I believe, as well. Kind of difficult to do with one hand because it's kind of locked in there. That part, I think, stays in regardless. Let me see if I can take this out. All right, so then once you get that piece off, that's where your hoses are for this. So just be aware that the alternative solutions here are, opposed to just filling this up, you can use that pump, and you just connect these to the back. They have connection pieces, and again, you're gonna kind of just utilize this guy right here. And I'm not even sure. It does give you kind of details. I'm pretty sure this is the alternative. Sorry, there we go. You'll have that. So you'll have the ability to kind of pump this out if you want. If you don't feel like putting, I'm so sorry. I'm doing a terrible job of filming this. So this kind of just screws right on, back on, and you'll have the alternative of pumping or pumping this out with this, and or just putting it into that reservoir. So kind of up to you. Another thing I didn't really cover is the mobility. It is portable because it's got wheels. It's lightweight. Anyway, so once it's plugged in, you're just going to kind of turn on the power. You're going to kind of decide kind of whether you want low or high. You can adjust your modes, all that stuff. So it'll show you kind of on the front and the back. Sorry. Be able to switch your modes. Be in dehumidifier mode. You can set a timer if you need, and you can set, like, if you don't want to, you know, if you wanted to not have those bright lights on, that sleep button is a really nice thing. Again, low or high, it blows pretty hard, as you can probably hear. So we're going to leave this in, just let it do its thing for a bit, and come back and just check the water. Now, I'm not going to have the pump going, but I do want you to know that obviously that is obviously an option. So be aware, and you know, you just put that thing right into a you know, a drainage system. All right, so I want to show you, and it's kind of hard. You can't really tell from the camera view, but you can tell. I know there's water in there. It does allow you to kind of see in there through the front. So we're going to go ahead and turn this off real quick. Just hold the power down. It'll run for a few seconds, and then it'll stop. And once it's stopped here, I'm going to again try my best with one hand to open this up. Be aware that at the top, and again, I don't know if you can kind of see the wetness there. It kind of, the water itself kind of drains onto this and then falls into that spot. You can see the kind of the opening, so it'll drain in there. And again, kind of trying to lift this out one-handed. I apologize, doing my best. you'll see there's water, and be aware of some leakage potential. So maybe, you know, if it isn't the tightest seal when you put it in, it may leak a little bit. So just a little towel. That's only when you're really removing it. And as you can kind of see, there's a decent amount of water. So literally I'll just pour this out and reset it. But there's a huge basin here that can hold the water. Again, just get a little cleanup. It's not like it's been dripping there or anything. It's only when you remove it. And then again, you can just put it back in and you'll be fine. So to me, this is definitely worth buying. It's awesome. Hopefully this review has helped you. It does a great job of you know, taking the humidity out of the air, and to me, worth buying. Hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.